Hey everyone, Clueless Dad here. As you can see, I'm not in Hong Kong, I'm on the road. I'm actually in Singapore, coming to you from my hotel room. And since I don't have any baby products, you know what's coming next. Yes, that's right, it's another drink taste test. So you can maybe guess from what you see, this is not a normal Coca-Cola. In fact, it is a cream-colored, yes, it is a Vanilla Coke. So a Singapore Vanilla Coke. And Vanilla Coke is not, that rare. Used to be available quite a lot. Lately, not so much, but for some reason they still have it here in Singapore. And for some reason, instead of being red with kind of creamy highlights, it is a cream-colored label and cap with a little bit of red. And I don't know why they did that, but that's the way it is. I guess they're changing their branding with the Diet Coke and the Coke Light and all that. So anyhow, this is what it looks like here in Singapore. And it's been a while since I've had Vanilla Coke. I don't know, maybe since... I think in Indonesia I maybe got one, I don't remember. Anyway, so let's give it a taste test. So one thing I wanted to note is that apparently Vanilla Coke looks exactly like regular Coke. So anyway, let's give it a taste test. Tastes the same as Vanilla Coke tends to taste. So I should note that despite being bought in Singapore, apparently this one is from Malaysia, based on the bottling information and the phone number and whatnot. So I guess they import it, to Singapore because there's still 5 million people here. I know they definitely make some Singapore specific, but maybe for the specialty items they import them. And so I guess I shouldn't complain because I do, in fact, like Vanilla Coke. I used to drink it quite a lot, maybe 10 years ago when it was widely available in Hong Kong. Nowadays, I don't think you can find it in most stores. So that makes me appreciate having the opportunity to taste these formerly popular flavors once in a while, all the more. So longtime viewers of this channel will recall that for 2018, my New Year's resolution was to stop drinking cola. And my only exception was in cases like this where I have the opportunity to do a taste test of some unique flavor for my YouTube channel. So this one's kind of like I'm cheating because it's not really that special, but I saw it in the store and I'm like, okay, kind of really want to try Vanilla Coke again, and I'll use my YouTube channel as an excuse to do it. So, okay, so I admit it that I'm sort of cheating, but hey, it's already April and it's almost May. Long story short, pretty much sticking to my no cola pledge for at least, 4/12 of the year. That's not so bad, right? Okay, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, which I can't imagine you did, give us a thumbs up. Check out our other taste test videos for other random cola flavors. Pepsi Blue seems to be doing really well. I guess people like my take on that. Nobody likes my Pepsi Christmas video or my ginger Coke or my other really cool videos of these really, really random Japanese flavors. And do consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button below if you can, because I need to get to 1,000 subscribers really bad. Otherwise, I can't be in the YouTube Partner Program. And as you can see, I am way, way far away. Maybe you're watching this 5 years from now and I'm like 1 million subscribers, but I really don't think so. But if I can get to 1,000, then that means I can become a partner again. So definitely help me out if you are so willing. Okay, thanks guys. See you next time. This is Coca-Cola Ginger with ginger extract flavor. Let's try it out, see how it tastes. I'm guessing not so good, but let's see.